साउथ गोवा ॲडव्होकेट असोसिएशनान ॲडव्होकेट गजानन सावंत हांचेर पुलिशेन केल्ल्या मारपेटीचो निशेध करून दुबावितांचेर खर कारवाय करून तांकां बेगोबेग निलंबीत करची अशी मागणी केल्या. तशेंच ह्या वेळार योग्य कारवाय करिनासतना पिडेस्ताक बळजबरीन केस निवळोवपाचो यत्न केल्ल्यान पर्वरेच्या पुलीस अधीक्षकाचेरूय खर कारवाय जावची म्हणून साउथ गोवा ॲडव्होकेट असोसिएशनाची मागणी आसा.
Are taken. Now, since police will not act fairly in this investigation, we demand that the matter be referred to the CBI. Thereafter, we want that 48 hours ultimatum is given to arrest all the 4 accused who are there. In fact, the 2 are saying they are unidentified. They will also be identified within that span of 48 hours, and all 4 of them should be suspended. Now, also we demand that action against PI of Porvorim Police Station for delaying in lodging the FIR and also for hushing to try to settle the matter and pressurizing our colleague to settle that matter. For that purpose, some action also needs to be taken against him. Then we demand that a magistrate inquiry to be done of the entire incident, either by the district magistrate north or district magistrate south, or if required by a retired high court judge or somebody. So that we will make a demand. Our resolution speaks about that. Then all the accomplices of police personnel who were part of this incident should also be taken to task. And our next request is that all CCTV cameras which are installed in the police station, they should make provision to be viewed by online, so that if any of the local common man is there in the police station, his family members can view and see what is happening. Along with there should be audio recording provisions also. So that should also be viewed along with audio.